This is amazing tricky math question. First of all, parenthesis has to be solved. So 9 plus 9, it will be 18 divided by 3. Again, we have parenthesis, so 3 plus 3 as it is. We will get here 6. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 times 6, we will get 36. And 36 will be our answer, but remember that it's not correct. Now we will solve it again according to PEMDAS order of operation, in which P stands for parenthesis. So parenthesis has to be solved first. In parenthesis we have addition and division. So division will be carried out first. So 9 plus it will become 3. Now again we will solve parenthesis, which will become 12 after addition. So now we have addition and multiplication. Addition has not prior than multiplication according to PEMDAS. So we can rewrite it 3 plus 3 times 12. And 3 times 12 will be carried out earlier than addition, because multiplication has preference over addition. So this portion will be handled first. 3 as it is plus it will become 36. And our final step will be addition, so it will become 39. Thank you.